Hey everybody, it's Zach here from Zach's Lego Show and Zachattackproductions, and today we are back in the city of Legoville for a brand new episode, and also to show you what I've been working on as of late. So stick around, because I'm going to show you coming up right now. So we've actually made some progress here on the Grahm Brickton Bridge. As you can see right here, this railing right here, I've actually continued it all the way down here. And as you can see, it goes all the way down to the fort and the tunnel over there. And really what I want to do is I want to do it on the opposite side as well. And I made them using these fence pieces. So right now we're going to see if we can make this happen on the other side. Alright, so I know what you're thinking. Zach, did you make it? Well, as you can see right here, I made it all the way up to the halfway to the arch bridge. But I was surprised it even went that long because I didn't think I had that many, didn't have that many fence posts. But as you can see, started all the way over there and all the way to over here. So I'm actually pretty thrilled with what I did. I'm pretty thrilled with, you know, the progress that I made with that. I didn't even think I'd have that many to go. But as you can see, yeah, it goes all the way to the arch bridge. So now pretty much the stuff I have to do is use these tiles, and I know for sure I probably don't have enough of those, to go all across, all the way from the bridge portion all the way down here to the fort portion. As you can see, I'm trying to not hit the the buildings while I'm holding this free-handed. So again, if there's any shaking, I deeply do apologize for that. Just a normal jittery person. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I could find some more by using some fence posts that I used using these pieces to make up that gap. So once I've done that, we'll definitely come back down here and take a look at the progress. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty good looking, you know, with that bridge all the way down there. And of course, these fence posts coming to halfway across the arch bridge. All right, so now I'm going to be signing off. Well, that's this edition of Zach's Lego Show, and if you stayed this long, please make sure to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and also share with your friends and family. It really does go a long way, and it helps me create more Lego content for you all out there. All right, make sure to follow us on social media. Those links always down in the description below. Remember to keep calm and build on. See you next time.